Hi, I'm Patrick Reed from the Adamas Principle. Lots to talk about today. Some headlines before we kick off with the charts. Mnuchin mulling over an oil bailout. That negative 37 bucks on the May contract kicking in, rolling into some ETF proxy buying on the June contract. Trump tweets lifting it slightly in June, but really is yours to sell, apparently, from a lot of desks. I'm waiting to see who got rumped, who got carted out on the oil futures shops, prop side. Let's just see. Watch this space on that one. PMIs in Europe absolutely stank. So euro-dollar dribbling lower. Probably a good time to be looking at the first chart, euro-dollar. Yeah, I mean, as long as we stay up below 108, I just see this 108 level is pretty big. Above that 108.66, it's the Fibonacci, but you know, we still are looking pretty weak. But it's, you know, like with the euro dollar, it's no straight line lower. You'll always get some buyers squeezing it slightly higher. A lot of Asian sovereign wealth funds always having a little bit of euro in their basket. So just be careful of that. Durable goods out shortly, and just be careful, you know, stick to the core. But like with most macro, most fundamentals, any upside, the market still wants a good narrative. Any upside probably get a bigger move than any downside in dollar terms, certainly in risk terms and equity. So let's look at the second slide. Okay, so this is dollar yen. 107.90 capping for now, above that 109.93, but all yours really up until all the way down. If it goes lower, 107 might take some profit there, but 105.36, not a bad fib there, 23.6%. Not the best. It's not like a 50 or a 38, but nonetheless, it is a level. And next slide. Okay. So this is the cable, 4 hour. Again, we're looking at some broad dollar strength. Risk is mixed, but we are slowly bleeding a bit lower. That 121.14 seems to be a little bit of a level, but below that 114.15, it's quite a big Fibonacci corridor. So just be careful of that. And then the next slide, please. Aussie, we've had some kind of mix. This is the 4 hourly. We did get lifted some soothing reports out of the Chinese data, the trade balance. Again, you know, this has been above the mid-Bollinger Band, but we are a bit schizophrenic. We're above and below. We are kind of consolidating. As you see, the Bollinger Bands are contracting. This all means that we're a bit indecisive. And we're looking for things to consolidate and contract even more so for a move. Higher or low, I'm not sure. Tip my hat to the bulls but let's just see what happens. Next slide. Okay, finally, Kiwi dollar. An interesting reports from ORG and the central banks basically saying that they're considering going direct to government, buying government debt. This is a first. So most central banks just buy sovereign debt in a broad sense, but this is interesting. Obviously, at the time, Kiwi got hit. That's it from me. Okay, so my name's Patrick Reed from the Adamas Principle. Happy trading and watch that risk.